In today's video, I will go over 12 stuffed plush animals that I have recently sold on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon in the recent weeks. I've paid anywhere from 25 cents each up to $6 for these animals. Now let's get started. My name is Xandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. And what that means is I buy items low at garage sales and thrift stores and flip the items online. I've been a reseller on eBay for over 20 years. However, I do make great sales on Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. And now let's see some of the plush I've sold on those sites. Okay, so we'll start over on Mercari. I had 4 plush stuffed animal sales within the last few weeks that I'd like to share with you. This is a Build-A-Bear Spider-Man outfit. I picked him up with a Build-A-Bear and I stripped that bear and sold the clothing separately. I paid 25 cents for the bear and the clothes. This sold within 24 hours of listing on Mercari for $14 and the buyer did pay shipping. My profit on the outfit alone was $11.64. So if some of your bears aren't selling or your plush Build-A-Bears, go ahead and strip them if they have an outfit and try to sell the outfit separately. Here you can see Goodwill did mark the bear at $5. However, I told the clerk that I really just wanted the outfit and she let it go for 25 cents total. So don't be afraid to negotiate when you're at your Goodwill store. The next item on Mercari is a Harley-Davidson hog. It's a stuffed plush Christmas bear wearing a red Santa cap. I've had this over 1 year. I paid 25 cents for it at Goodwill. It sold for my full asking price on Mercari of $19. The buyer did pay shipping, so my profit, $16. I picked this plush up because it was Harley Davidson and I knew there'd be a Harley fan out there somewhere that would want this Harley hog. Next up is this Cabbage Patch Kids 2012 Minion doll. I don't recall these from my childhood, but I did pick it up because it was new with tags and I got it at that gigantic indoor church sale for just 25 cents. It was listed for about 1 month. The buyer sent me an offer of $16, which I accepted. So my profit on this Cabbage Patch doll minion, $13.39. When I can pick up new with tag plush for $0.25, I do it all the time. And the last item on Mercari is a Dakin white snowy owl. It does have the UPC code with the tag, so I listed it new with tags. I paid $1 for this at Goodwill. As you can see here, they did write $1 on the tush tag, which I did disclose in my description. The buyer purchased it anyway for $22. So my profit, $17.86. I do look up these Dakin, D-A-K-I-N, stuffed plush animals by applause, especially when they are new with tags. So keep your eye open for these. Next, we'll jump over to eBay. I sold this Kelly Toy stuffed plush teddy bear. It was also new with tag. I paid 25 cents for it at Goodwill. I sent an offer to buyer of $14.92 plus $7 shipping. Now I know that was an offer that I'd sent because the offers that I send usually end in 0.92. The buyer did accept, so my profit, $14.29. Looking at the keywords on this stuffed plush animal, he did look like a Valentine bear to me, so I made sure I added Valentine to my title. I have stuffed plush teddy. It's a panda bear, animal, toy, and then I added the colors. Could be used for a baby, and it's also a Valentine bear. For those of you that are new to reselling, the keywords that you use in the title of your items is very important. Put yourself in the buyer's shoes, and when you're searching for an item, what words do you enter into the search box? You want to include those in your title, as that's very important and will make your items appear in the search results. And the next item on eBay is a Hallmark Jingle Pals swishing singing snowman. This is the second one of these Hallmark stuffed plush musical items that I've sold. This one sold within 1 week of listing. Goodwill did mark it up to $6. It is new with tags. I accepted an offer of $25 plus $16 shipping. So my profit, $17.67. So keep your eye out for these Hallmark. These are collectibles. The other one that I sold is in my last plush video, and it was dancing penguins. The next item to sell is a vintage Gibson puppy dog with a spotted eye dated 1994. I paid $2 for this at Goodwill. I did have it priced high at $64. It was listed on Amazon, and those dogs over on Amazon are going for about that price. But when an offer came in of $30 plus $7 shipping, I accepted. This bear did have a flaw with his thread on his foot coming loose. And as Goodwill typically does, they will write the price on the tush tag in a Sharpie marker. I don't ever try to remove this price, I just disclose it in my listing. So my profit on this $2 plush dog was $25.66. Next up is another new with tag stuffed plush animal. This is a pug dog by Animal Alley. This is a new to me brand. Seeing that it was new with tags and a dog, I figured some dog lover out there would want it. The buyer sent me an offer of $20 plus $7 shipping, so my profit, $15.77. This sold rather quickly within 1 month of listing. Looking at these keywords, you can see I added new with tag, Animal Alley. It's a stuffed plush toy. I added pug. Carlin was on the tag somewhere, so I believe that was the dog's name. It's from the Pure Breed collection, Toys R Us, and it measured 13 inches. Next up is a serta sheep lamb. These lambs are highly collectible, and depending on what number you have, some are more valuable than others. I paid $1 for this at a local thrift store. I had it priced high at $20 plus shipping, and a buyer sent me an offer of $13 plus $7, so they wanted to be $20 all in. It sold within 1 week of listing, so my profit, $12.41. Next, we'll jump over to Poshmark. I sold this Build-A-Bear teddy bear. I paid 25 cents for him at a garage sale. The buyer paid my full asking price of $14. So my profit on this plain Jane brown teddy bear from Build-A-Bear was $9.30. I'm very selective on the Build-A-Bear plush that I do pick up. I don't think I would pick up this teddy bear again if I saw him for 25 cents. But the special ones, especially if they still have the noisemaker in the hand, tend to sell for a higher price. The next item on Poshmark is a set of calico critters. This is the second set of these that I've sold. I paid $3 for all of them at Goodwill. The buyer paid my full asking price of $28 plus shipping. So my profit, $17.90. These sold within 1 month of listing. They really don't look like much. Like I said, this is the second set of these that I've sold for quite a bit of money. And the last item that sold on Poshmark is a new with tag Care Bear. This is Baby Hugs in pink. As you can see, she's wearing a cute little diaper with hearts on it. She is new with tags. I paid 25 cents for her at Goodwill. It sold for my full asking price of $30. So my profit, $23.75. Looking at these keywords, you'll see that I added new with tag Care Bears. It's a Baby Hugs Bear Teddy, stuffed plush animal toy with a pink diaper, and it measures 10 inches. I just shared with you 12 of my most recent plush stuffed animal sales, turning my $16 initial investment into $289. As soon as I finished this video, I sold 2 more plush stuffed animals. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see those in my next plush sold video. I make money selling Goodwill items online, including plush stuffed animals, and you can too. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed to my channel, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, tap the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. I will link another What Sold Plush video here. Continue watching.